In this video, I'm going to show you how you can save files from your USB drive to Dropbox. So what I've done is I've plugged in my USB drive into my computer. I recommend you do the same. Once you've done that, if you open up the File Explorer, then you can go to this PC. You'll be able to see any drives that you have, including your local machine. You'll be also able to see your USB drive that you've plugged in, which you can double click and open. And then here are the files on that USB drive. I'm going to save these to Dropbox to back them up, so we have more than one backup of these files. So now let's open up Dropbox. So you need to open up any web browser. We can then do a search for Dropbox, and you need to go to dropbox.com. Now I'm already signed in, but if you're not, you will need to sign in or sign up for an account. Now if you're not signed up and you don't have an account, you can go ahead and click on sign up in the top right hand corner. Here you can then continue by entering in an email and a password. Now Dropbox have paid plans. If you scroll down, you will see them, but they also have a free plan as well, which I'm going to use. You can go ahead and see that I have 2 GB available to back up. Now here I am on Dropbox. I've already signed up. I've signed into my account, and once I've signed up and signed in, it takes me to this page here. So we are on dropbox.com/home. So if we go to folders here, what I would do is go to folders, then click new, folder, and then click on folder again. What you can do here is you give this folder a name. I'm going to call it USB drive, and we'll make it available only to me on this account. We can then click create. Now it's going to create that folder for us, and you should see it on the side. So when you click on folders, it should be here. You can then go ahead and click inside of this USB drive folder, or whatever you call it, and then you can just upload your files. To do that, you can click upload files. That will open up a File Explorer window. If you then go to this PC, click on your USB drive, you'll see all of your files. Highlight the ones that you want to save, click on open, and then it will upload them all. Again, you are going to only have 2 GB of free storage with the free Dropbox. You may also want to check out Google Drive as well, because they offer significantly more for free. After a few seconds here, you can see the files have uploaded. And now in future, once we go back to Dropbox, we'll be able to see the files. It should either be on the home page, or we can just go to folders, USB drive, and here you can see we've got all of these files backed up, which we can go and open or download.